So, I mean, we were to hear about the 20 years it takes for somebody to become a success story, and it seems
Hmm.
like it's an overnight success. And, you just said you pretty much just launched Hellowoofy. That's like pretty much an automated platform to help
Yeah.
social media and to help delivery of content. How long
Yep.
did it take you to get to the point to where you actually established a launch? And you can probably go into a little bit of, raising capital. And that's one of the
Yeah.
biggest things most entrepreneurs, they don't really comprehend on, how to do an equity raise.
Yeah, and talking about raising capital, we're actually raising capital right now on Republic, which is an equity crowdfunding element.
Mhm.
That means is that anyone, not just accredited investors, can use the new regulatory changes in raising capital to their advantage. What that means is you can invest as low as $100, depending on your income. Anyone can do it. And so we've been able to raise about 180, 81,000, a little over that. We're also going to be on a TV show in 2 days called Meet the Drapers,
Nice.
which is the Draper family, Tim Draper, the billionaire investor. So it's been interesting. Initially, I was able to raise capital from a fund called 1517, who were founded by individuals who ran the Thiel Foundation, and the Thiel Foundation came after me obviously to join when I was 19. Unfortunately, we spoke 3 weeks later when it was my birthday, or I think 2 days after my birthday, and I was 20. I was disqualified, but one of the partners followed me, and we stayed in touch over the years. And 7 years later, they ended up investing in my company
Nice.
when they left to build their own venture capital firm. And then one thing led to the other, raised a little bit more capital from an accelerator, and then ended up having to pivot a little bit. Had to let go of my co-founder, had to let go of our CTO about a year and a half ago, and pretty much start from scratch. The product, the team, the culture, everything, the business plan, all of it had to be started, and we only had $12,000 left in the bank. So it's interesting how with 12,000, I was somehow able to figure out, get a full-time job, funnel all the capital from all the salary into the company, max out my credit cards, max out, my savings, and get to this point where we're about to do, we're projecting $90,000 by the end of next month since launching in December.